5 grams and environmental sustainability, a green network future. Title: 5 grams and environmental sustainability, a green network future. Introduction: 100 words. The world is rapidly transitioning towards a more connected future, relying heavily on communication networks. As we enter the era of 5 grams technology, its potential for reshaping our lives is immense. However, it is crucial to evaluate the impact this digital revolution will have on the environment. This article aims to explore the intersection between 5 grams and environmental sustainability, highlighting the potential benefits and concerns associated with this technology. By understanding the role of 5 grams in promoting a green network future, we can harness its power to create a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. 1. What is 5 grams? 300 words. To understand the implications of 5 grams on environmental sustainability, we must first grasp the concept of 5 grams technology. 5 grams, or 5th generation wireless, is the latest iteration of mobile network tech. Technology. It offers faster data transfer rates, lower latency, and greater network capacity than its predecessors, 3 grams and 4 grams. This technological leap has the potential to revolutionize industries, including healthcare, transportation, agriculture, and manufacturing. Unlike previous generations, 5 grams uses higher frequency radio waves, allowing for increased data transmission speeds. Additionally, it supports a significantly higher number of connected devices, promising seamless connectivity in an increasingly digitized world. However, the implementation of 5 grams networks requires updating and expanding the existing infrastructure, which poses both opportunities and challenges concerning environmental sustainability. 2. Advantages of 5 grams for environmental sustainability, 400 words. A. Energy efficiency. A key advantage of 5 grams technology is its enhanced energy efficiency compared to previous generations. This increased efficiency can contribute to the overall reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, making 5 grams a greener choice for connectivity. B. Precision agriculture. 5 grams holds tremendous potential in promoting sustainable agriculture through precision farming. This not only improves crop productivity and reduces waste but also minimizes the environmental impact caused by conventional farming practices. C. Smart cities. 5 grams networks play a vital role in the development of smart cities, where enhanced connectivity promotes the efficient use of resources and reduces energy consumption. Smart grids, intelligent transportation systems, and optimized waste management systems are just a few examples of how 5 grams can enable eco-friendly urban environments. Through real-time data collection and intelligent automation, cities can reduce their carbon footprint and enhance the overall quality of life for their residents. 3. Challenges and concerns, 400 words. While 5 grams presents numerous opportunities for environmental sustainability, it also raises concerns that must be addressed to ensure a truly green network future. A. E-waste. The rapid pace of technological advancement means that older devices and infrastructure become quickly obsolete. The migration to 5 grams will lead to increased electronic waste and less appropriate recycling measures and responsible product design are implemented. The proper disposal and recycling of outdated equipment are essential to minimize the environmental impact of this transition. B. Energy consumption. While 5 grams promises enhanced energy efficiency, the exponential increase in internet-connected devices and equipment may result in a spike in overall energy consumption. To mitigate this, it is crucial to encourage the use of renewable energy sources and design energy-efficient network components. Additionally, effective network planning and infrastructure optimization can further reduce energy demands. C. Health and environmental impacts. Concerns have been raised regarding the potential health and environmental effects of increased exposure to higher frequency radio waves. However, extensive research conducted by reputable organizations like the World Health Organization, WHO, continuously confirms that 5 grams networks comply with safety standards. Nonetheless, continuous monitoring is necessary to ensure that any unforeseen consequences are addressed promptly. 4. The role of regulation and policy, 400 words. A. Environmental standards. Governments can establish environmental standards for the production, use, and disposal of 5 grams devices and infrastructure. These standards can incentivize manufacturers to adopt greener practices, such as using eco-friendly materials and ensuring efficient recycling processes. By setting clear guidelines, governments can promote the development of sustainable 5 grams technologies. B. Spectrum allocation. Effective spectrum management is essential for maximizing the efficiency and minimizing the environmental impact of 5 grams networks. Governments can allocate spectrum resources in a way that encourages the use of energy-efficient technologies and reduces interference. Additionally, they can promote the sharing of spectrum to optimize utilization and minimize the need for additional infrastructure. C. Incentives and subsidies. Governments can provide incentives and subsidies to encourage the adoption of 5 grams technologies that promote environmental sustainability. These incentives can accelerate the transition towards a green network future. B. Public awareness and education. Governments play a crucial role in raising public awareness about the environmental benefits of 5 grams technology. By promoting educational campaigns and providing accurate information, governments can address concerns and dispel misconceptions surrounding 5 grams' potential impact on health and the environment. This can foster public acceptance and support for sustainable 5 grams infrastructure development. 5. Collaboration and partnerships, 300 words. Achieving a green network future requires collaboration among various stakeholders, including governments, industry players, and civil society organizations. A. Public-private partnerships. Governments can establish partnerships with private companies to drive sustainable 5 grams development. By working together, they can share resources, expertise, and investment, resulting in more environmentally conscious initiatives. Public-private partnerships can foster innovation, accelerate the adoption of sustainable practices, and ensure accountability in the deployment of 5 grams networks. B. Industry collaboration. Collaboration among different industry players is crucial for addressing common challenges and advancing environmental sustainability in the 5 grams sector. C. International cooperation. Given the global nature of 5 grams deployment, international cooperation is vital to address environmental concerns. Governments, industry bodies, and organizations can collaborate on setting global standards for energy efficiency, e-waste management, and environmental impact assessment. This cooperation can drive the adoption of sustainable practices across borders and ensure consistent environmental standards for 5 grams networks worldwide. These organizations can provide valuable input, raise awareness about environmental concerns, and advocate for sustainable practices throughout the 5 grams ecosystem. By involving civil society in decision and making processes, the transition to 5 grams can be more transparent and accountable. Title: 5 grams and environmental sustainability, a green network future. Introduction, 100 words. The world is rapidly transitioning towards a more connected future, relying heavily on communication networks. As we enter the era of 5 grams technology, its potential for reshaping our lives is immense. However, it is crucial to evaluate the impact this digital revolution will have on the environment. This article aims to explore the intersection between 5 grams and environmental sustainability, highlighting the potential benefits and concerns associated with this technology. By understanding the role of 5 grams in promoting a green network future, we can harness its power to create a more sustainable and